My name is Wesley Kashiba. I'm the National Programming Lead for the Lab2Market Network, and welcome to the Lab2Market Summit. The Lab2Market Summit is a premier research commercialization event in Canada that brings together faculty members, graduate students, aspiring tech entrepreneurs, policymakers, and tech investors.
This year we welcomed over 400 attendees to our Lab2Market Summit.
This summit is a chance to collect everyone who cares about deep tech.
To have the important and unique discussions needed to move our novel technologies out of labs and bring them to market.
Canada ranks amongst the best in the world for fundamental research, but we have some of the poorest outcomes when it comes to innovation and commercialization. The problems we're facing in this world, from famine and disease to climate change and clean water, require research-based innovation.
Modern society faces challenges that are bigger and more complex than ever before. At the same time, the power of science and technology at our disposal is equally unprecedented. If we can harness this power with ambition and responsibility, we can rise to meet these challenges.
We set out to really change the way we train researchers and graduate students around how you do innovation, how you become an entrepreneur, and how you build those entrepreneurial skills.
We are less likely to turn professors into full-time entrepreneurs, but when they work with their graduate students and postdocs with innovation and entrepreneurship training, we can scale impact and improve productivity and also create better economic outcomes. That's what Lab2Market does through structured programming.
We started by seeing a problem that we thought we could solve, and that was that we wanted to move more research out of our research labs in Canada.
We have been trying to commercialize research for the last 20, 30, 40 years. They ignored that faculty members are different than entrepreneurs who are starting other businesses.
What we then set out to do was build really high-quality programming and experience for researchers and on graduate students. We have over 50 universities, colleges, and research hospitals now as part of the network.
We're starting something new, and we want to basically celebrate the success of our graduate students and our faculty members.
When we set out to create the Lab2Market Summit, we did so to create a space for this community to have the conversations needed to progress commercialization, research in Canada.
We believe that we need academics engaged in public good. Public good of tomorrow is not going to be bridges and infrastructures. It's going to be data sets, firewalls, making sure that we have inclusive services for everyone.
The summit is a celebration of those collective accomplishments, a reflection on the partnerships and the successes we've achieved together, and a chance to recognize everyone's hard work toward making this vision a reality.
Together, we have the power to drive meaningful change and make a difference.